guys, I'm Armina Khan and today I'm at Kashees Beauty Salon for this gorgeous pair of extensions. Now, as you know, we work on screen all the time and our hair gets damaged on a daily basis on set because it's constantly being styled. So I found an alternative, which is these. Lots of actors are using them for different looks, for different shoots, so you don't have to mess around with your hair as much. तो उससे फिर ये होता है कि आपके बाल कम डैमेज होते हैं और लुक भी बड़े मज़े की आती है, पॉलिश लुक आती है. You can wear these during the day, you can wear them on set, you can wear them to weddings, birthday parties, your call. So this is my choice and you can see it's beautifully styled, it's well cut and the customer service is great. Kashee is amazing. So, and the colors are beautiful, they'll match, they'll custom made it for you, according to you, your skin coloring, everything, whatever you want. And today I wanted this, so I'm loving them.